I knew I shouldn't have hired him. You're late.
What?
You're late!
Oh.
Your assignment is to clean out this bin.
I don't want to.
You promised I wouldn't regret it if I hired you.
Why can't you give me an assignment that uses one of my talents? Let's just dump this in the trash.
No, we should put as little in the trash as possible.
Why?
Well, some things can be reused, others can be recycled, some things can be composted, and the rest ends up in the landfill where it gets buried in the ground.
Why don't we make the kids deal with this?
You can't let the campers do your dirty work.
It'll be a great way to teach them how to deal with trash responsibly.
Actually, you might be onto something. We could turn this into a game.
I love games. Winning is one of my talents.
We're gonna play a game called Trash Dash. Okay, the goal of the game is to sort these things into the right bins: landfill, recycle, compost, and reuse. There are different challenges for reaching each bin. Since landfill is the closest and the easiest, it earns the fewest points. The reuse challenge is the hardest, so those things earn the most points. After everything's been sorted, the team with the most points wins.
What team am I on?
This is a game for campers.
But I want to play.
If you play, the teams will be uneven.
But if you're on one team and I'm on the other, the teams will be even. Please, please, please.
Most of the time when you play, you're not a good sport.
I promise I'll behave. Game on!
On your marks. Get set, go! Go CJ, CJ, CJ.
Recycle.
CJ, 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 CJ.
Alex, Alex.
Come on, Ariana, you got this.
Compost.
Woo!
Reuse.
Isabella, Isabella. Come on, Zachary. 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 This is taking too long.
Reuse.
Nope. Out of my way, come on. Come on.
You're gonna make us lose.
All right, kids, take a good look. This is what a winner looks like, all right?
That's cheating.
We win!
You don't know that yet. We have to add up the points. You put everything in the landfill bin?
So?
These are the only things that should end up in the landfill. Everything else can get recycled, reused, or composted. So that means you don't get points for any of these.
55.
We got 285, and that beats 55.
Well, you guys cheated.
We did not.
Plastic bags and the reuse, they should be in the landfill bin.
Many plastic bags do end up in the landfill. That's the big problem. But some grocery stores are collecting them for recycling, and some people are reusing them to carry things. I know another really cool way to reuse them.
I don't care.
Check this out.
Actually, that is pretty cool.
I'm just reusing one of my talents.
Watch your favorite shows on your PBS station or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.